Hey, it's Crappie Dan. We're at the back end of the boat now. We want to talk a little bit about what we've done on the back end of the boat. And Scap has installed for me a transducer shield off the back end of the boat. This is just one application for putting it on. On my boat, as you can see, we have a really great place based on a jack plate placement where this shield will hold the transducer and keep it protected as much as it can be protected from the elements. And as you can see here, we don't have to drill any holes. It uses the holes in the plate itself, and yet it protects that transducer without limiting or creating any obstruction of reading the electronics through that transducer. It's a great place to do it, especially if it's another kind of boat where you don't have a jack plate, or if you don't have a place where you have to mount it to the boat. They have the applications for that, as well as being able to give you the capability to attach a transducer to it equitably, less cost, and protect it as much as possible. So Transducer Shield and Saver has done that. Scap's done a great job of that. In fact, Scap worked so hard at putting this boat together, as you can tell. He's actually gotten shorter than what he was when I actually started with him earlier 3 days ago. So I've worked him to death. He's actually lost 50 pounds. And it's good. And I needed to lose that. And I think I gained 50 pounds over doing it. So anyway, I want to tell you, this is a great place. You can check it out. Get Transducer Savers on his website, Transducer Shield and Saver, for any application of any electronics. This is a Garmin, but you can get it for all brands, types, boats, everything.
Front
trolling motor to the back end of the boat, he's got it.
Got it.